In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract zip files on your PC. Zip files are a really common way to bundle multiple files or folders into a single compressed package. You'll often see them when you download resources from the internet, receive project files, or share large sets of documents. To actually use what's inside, you need to extract or unzip that file. That's exactly what we'll walk through now, step by step. First, locate the zip file on your computer. It's usually in your Downloads folder if you just grabbed it from the web. But it might also be on your desktop or in another folder where you saved it. The icon will usually look like a regular folder with a zipper on it, and the file name will end with .zip. Once you've found the file, move your mouse over it and right-click. This opens up a context menu with several options. On Windows, you'll typically see something like Extract All. Go ahead and click that. If you have another zip program installed, such as a third-party archiving tool, you might see slightly different wording like Extract Here or Extract to Folder Name. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the built-in Windows Extract All by it option, since it's available by default. After clicking Extract All, a new window will pop up asking where you want the contents to go. By default, Windows suggests creating a new folder with the same name as the zip file, in the same location. This is usually a good choice because it keeps everything organized and easy to find. If you're happy with that, you can leave the location as it is. If you want to choose a different folder, click the Browse button, navigate to the place you prefer, and then confirm your selection. Before you start the extraction, you might see a checkbox that says something like Show extracted files when complete. Leaving this checked is helpful because it automatically opens the folder after everything is done, so you can immediately see what was inside the zip file. Now click the Extract button. Your computer will begin unpacking the files. This may take just a couple of seconds or a bit longer, depending on how large the zip file is and how many items it contains. When it's finished, a new window will open showing the extracted folder. At this point, you're no longer working with the compressed zip file. You're using the regular files and folders inside. You can open documents, run applications, or move these files anywhere on your PC, just like any other files. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully extracted a zip file on your PC and can now access and use its contents.